Kilalanin natin si Rico, isang masipag na accountant sa late 20s na nakapag-ipon ng $10,000 over the past few years. Pangarap niya ang magkaroon ng passive income through investing, pero natatakot siya sa uncertainty. Kamakailan, nahihirapan si Rico. Struggling siya sa lumalaking utang, paying rent, at keeping his emergency fund stable. With his savings at stake, napagtanto niya na kailangan niyang mag-generate ng passive income para ma-ease ang pressures na ito at maiwasan ang bigger problems sa future. Nagdesisyon si Rico na pumasok sa dividend investing, kung saan companies pay you a share of their profits just for owning their stock. Dalawa ang main paths niya: low risk, low reward strategies na prioritize stability, or high risk, high reward approaches na pwedeng magbigay ng mas malaking payouts pero with more uncertainty. Sa video na ito, we'll walk through 7 strategies para kay Rico, simula sa pinaka-safe hanggang sa pinaka-risky. Stick around hanggang dulo. Ipapakita natin kung paano ang boldest strategy can help Rico fund his dream trip to Florida. Number 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Dividend investing ay tungkol sa pagbili ng stocks mula sa companies na regularly nagbabayad ng cash sa shareholders as a reward for owning their shares. Kung pipiliin mo ang companies with a strong history of paying and increasing dividends, you could benefit for years. Halimbawa, ang S&P 500 na nagtitrack ng 500 large US companies ay may average dividend yield na mga 1.2% as of September 2025. Though modest, Rico can target dividend aristocrats sa index, mga companies na nagtaas ng dividends for at least 25 years straight, tulad ng Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, at Procter & Gamble. Halimbawa, ang Coca-Cola or KO ay may dividend yield na around 3% at nag-increase ng dividend for 63 consecutive years. Kung i-invest ni Rico ang kanyang $10,000 sa Coca-Cola, makakakuha siya ng roughly $10,000 multiplied by 3%. Ito ay $300 annually sa dividends. Malit lang ito sa simula, pero it's a steady start na pwedeng lumaki over time at help rebuild his emergency fund. Number 2. Dividend aristocrats. Katulad ng first strategy, dividend aristocrats ay reliable companies with decades of consistent dividend growth. Ang Dow Jones Industrial Average tracks 30 major U.S. companies. Marami sa kanila ay aristocrats. Halimbawa, ang Johnson & Johnson or J&J ay stand out with a dividend yield na mga 2.9% at over 60 years of increases. Kung ilalagay ni Rico ang $10,000 sa J&J, makakakuha siya ng mga $10,000 multiplied by 2.9%. Ito ay $209 per year sa dividends. This could help bayaran ng utang niya faster, lalo na tumataas ang interest rates, giving him breathing room without touching his salary. Number 3. Dividend-focused ETFs. Para sa safer, more diversified approach, Rico can invest in exchange-traded funds or ETFs na nagbobundle ng dividend-paying stocks. This spreads risk across many companies. Halimbawa, ang Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF or SPHD focuses sa 50 high-yield, low-volatility stocks mula sa S&P 500. As of September 2025, ito ay dividend yield na mga 3.5%. With $10,000 invested, Rico could earn about $10,000 multiplied by 3. 5%, ito ay $350 annually. Pwedeng gamitin niya ito to boost his retirement savings tulad ng pag-add sa 400 Steffier, reducing reliance on paycheck deductions. Number 4. Sector ETFs. Rico can target ETFs na focused sa sectors known for higher dividends, like real estate, utilities, or consumer staples. These give exposure to growing industries while paying income. Halimbawa, ang Vanguard Real Estate ETF or VNQ tracks U.S. real estate companies at may dividend yield na mga 3.8%. Kung i-invest ni Rico ang $10,000 sa VNQ, makakakuha siya ng roughly $10,000 multiplied by 3.8%. Ito ay $380 per year. Pwedeng i-channel niya ito sa pagbili ng online course or certification para mag-skill up at aim for a pay raise sa work, turning passive income into active career growth. Number 5. Real Estate Investment Trusts or REIT, ang REITs ay companies na nag-o-own at manage ng income-producing properties tulad ng apartments, offices, at malls. By law, kailangan nilang i-distribute ang at least 90% ng taxable income as dividends, kaya great ito for steady payouts without buying property. Popular REITs include Simon Property Group, Prologis, at Equity Residential. Tingnan natin ang Simon Property Group or SPG na nag-o-own ng shopping centers worldwide at may dividend yield na mga 4.7% as of September 2025, with a payout ratio around 85%. A $10,000 investment could yield about $10,000 multiplied by 4.7%. Ito ay $470 annually. This lets Rico dip into real estate without the hassle of being a landlord, gamit ang income for everyday needs like rent. Ang unang 5 strategies na ito ay low risk at steady, building wealth gradually. Pero kung willing si Rico na mag-take ng more volatility, ang next ones offer higher potential rewards, though kailangan ng research at possibly consulting a financial advisor. Number 6, higher risk dividend stocks. Higher risk strategies aren't for everyone. They involve stocks with elevated yields pero more volatility. Always do your homework. One option is high-yield dividend stocks from industries like tobacco or energy. Halimbawa, ang Altria Group or MO, a tobacco company, ay may yield na mga 6.2%. A $10,000 investment could bring $10,000 multiplied by 6.2%. Ito ay $620 yearly. Another is Energy Transfer LP or ET, a midstream oil and gas firm with a yield na mga 7.7%, potentially yielding $10,000 multiplied by 7.7%. Ito ay $750 annually. Rico could reinvest these for compounding growth, pero kailangan niyang i-diversify para ma-manage ang risks, tulad ng market swings or tax implications. Number 7, the riskiest high-yield stocks. Ang boldest approach ay nagtatarget ng ultra-high-yield stocks na nagbabayad ng malaking chunk ng profits pero may chance na mag-cut ng dividends if business falters due to volatility. Kung risk-tolerant si Rico, this could accelerate his goals. Isang example ang Annaly Capital Management or NLY, a REIT na nag-i-invest sa mortgage-backed securities with a massive yield na mga 12.6% as of September 2025. Investing $10,000 could generate about $10,000 multiplied by 12.6%. Ito ay $1,260 annually. Payouts aren't always consistent. One year might be lower, the next higher. Pero over time, this could fund Rico's Florida trip sooner. Remember, high yields often signal higher risks, kaya monitor market conditions closely. Sa summary, dividend investing offers Rico a path mula sa stability hanggang excitement, tailored sa kanyang comfort level. Starting small with safer options builds confidence, while riskier ones amp up returns. Kung gusto ni Rico na mag-live off dividends entirely someday, he could explore more advanced strategies like dividend growth investing. Consult a financial advisor para i-personalize ito. Your situation might differ. Don't forget mag-like and subscribe para sa mas maraming investing tips. Salamat sa panonood!